Hello students, today we are going to learn about the organic chemistry practicals. The name of the organic chemistry practical, that is the preparation of para-nitroacetanilide from acetanilides. First, what is the principle of this preparation of the reaction? It is a nitration reaction, nitration of acetanilides, and acetanilide it is a electrophilic substitution reaction in which one hydrogen atom of any aromatic compound is replaced by nitro groups. The nitration of acetanilides, it gives the two products are obtained. One is ortho and second is a para-nitroacetanilide. Out of the two products, the only para-nitroacetanilide is a major product and ortho-nitroacetanilide is a minor product. Why? This is because the NHCOCH3 group in benzene ring, these groups are plus I groups and plus R effects, and plus I and plus R groups present in the aromatic rings. These groups are ortho-para directing groups. But this ortho and para products, the ortho product is a minor product. Why? This is because the steric crowding or steric hindrance, hence only the major products are obtained. The reaction of this preparation of this compound, this is the HNO3 and H2SO4, both these compounds are acid. Why this reaction is possible? This is because the nitric acid, it acts as a base and accept the proton from H2SO4. This is a base and this is the acid and formation of a nitronium ion. And this nitronium ion react with the acetanilides and to form, one is a major product and this is a minor product. This is a main reaction, the preparation of this product. The chemical of this reaction, 1 gram of acetanilides, 5 ml of acetic acids, concentrated H2SO4 5 ml, fuming HNO3 5 ml, and ethyl alcohol 3 ml. The very simple procedure for the preparation of para-nitroacetanilides. First, they take a beaker, they add 1 gram of acetanilides, then the 5 ml glacial acetic acids, then add 3 ml concentrated H2SO4 and keep this beaker in a freezing mixture, and they contain ice and common salts. In a dry test tube, another dry test tubes, they add 5 ml HNO3 and that is the fuming HNO3, and this fuming HNO3 it can be prepared by the 2 ml HNO3 and 3 ml concentrated H2SO4. Cool this tube the freezing of this mixture when both the solution attain the 0 temperature. This is beaker and this test tube, both the solution or both these beakers and test tubes attain the 0 temperatures. Then they add nitrating mixture dropwise to the acetanilide solution. This is a nitrating mixture, adds slowly to the acetanilide solution, and the formation of a white or yellow crystalline products are obtained, and these products are then filtered by using the Buchner funnel or suction pump or by using the simple funnels, and these dry products, now these products are then dried and then crystallized by using the ethyl alcohol. These products or this reaction is completed or not completed. If the reaction is completed, by using the TLC and melting point in our only lab. But if we are research students, then these products can be analyzed by using the IR spectroscopy or NMR spectroscopy. But in our BSc level, these products only determines or only find the TLC methods and melting point. This is further procedures. TLC and melting points can be explained by Professor Lange sir.
After the filtration of product and it is firstly dried, after dryation the product is recrystallized by using ethyl alcohol, this is a suitable solvent for the recrystallization. We know that only alcohol can be used for the recrystallization. And after recrystallization, we have to perform the TLC. Last lecture, in last practical, we have to see the how to perform the TLC. We are not going to in details. Then after recrystallization, we perform the TLC, and after TLC, we get the melting point and boiling point. Most of the preparation we get the solid products, that's why we have to perform the melting point. And then after recrystallization, we get the practical yield. These 3 points are most important for the practical purpose: TLC, practical yield, and melting point and boiling point. And after that, we get the perform the result table, and from the TLC we calculate the RF value of the reactant as well as RF value of the products. That are the most important. So this is about this practical. This practical, after getting the product, these are the point we have to complete it and submit the result. Thank you. Stop.